Today I'm going to be showing you how to start a CJ4 Cessna citation from cold and dark in Microsoft Flight Simulator 2020. Now before we get started, I have to emphasize that this is for simulation purposes only and should not be used in real-world aviation. Welcome aboard our Cessna citation here in Washington. First of all, once we load up in our Cessna citation, we are going to want to turn on our power, which is right here on this panel. And then to be able to load our flight plan down on the flight computer, we are going to want to switch avionics master downwards to save some power, because the power on this plane can run out quite quickly. Now you can fill in your flight plan here for your flight, and then once you are done, you can switch avionics master to the full upright position to turn on all of the systems in the cockpit. Now we'll just wait for this, and then we'll get working on the autopilot. Okay, now that our screens are all loaded up, we are going to want to set up our autopilot. Now depending on how high and what heading, or maybe you're going to do just nav mode, you will have to first, of course, talk to ATC if you're flying with ATC, or depending on what your flight plan says, you're going to want to set your altitude. So you can turn your altitude knob here, and it will show up here what the autopilot has. And for the heading, if you're using heading, it will be showing down here as the number, and this line will also be showing exactly which direction compared to how the plane is facing at this time. Now if you have pushback clearance, you can also arm the emergency lights and turn on your backup indicator here. Now standby altitude display. I don't know what I was thinking. So turn on AC to normal. Turn on the pitot heat if you want. And now we are going to want to start our engines up. Now first of all, open these covers here and turn on our beacon light so other planes know that we are starting our engine. Just first of all, we're going to start our right engine. Going to click the ignition right there, and you can watch it here. Forgot exactly what percentage it needs to be to completely turned on. Let's just say 15. It's probably wrong. And then you're going to click the run button here and close the cover. And then it'll complete up here. And we'll just wait for that. Okay. Now we came to 24.5 here. So our engine is completely running. So now we're going to turn on our left engine ignition. Wait for that to also go up to 15%. Now again, I don't know if this is correct, the percent. It might even be 20, I'm not sure. But it works. And turn on the run. Oops. And we can also close the cover here. And there we go, our engine is now completely running, both of them, and we're ready for pushback. And that is how to start the Cessna Citation CJ4 on Microsoft Flight Simulator from cold and dark. Whether you're a seasoned pilot, a flight simmer, or just someone who loves the thrill of flight, this community is like no other. We lift each other up, share knowledge, and celebrate our passion for aviation together. If you found this video helpful, consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to our channel. Your support keeps us motivated to create more content and share the joy of flying.